In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Wi-Fi doesn't connect after sleep on Windows 10 PC. So to fix this error, firstly, click on Start and type Device Manager. Now expand Network Adapter. Right-click on Wireless Network Adapter. Click on Properties. Click on Power Management. Uncheck this. Allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. So uncheck this one and click on OK. And close it. Now another thing you need to try, click on Start and then type Power Plan. Click on Edit Power Plan. Click on Change Advanced Power Settings. In here, expand Wireless Adapter Settings. Now click on Power Saving Mode. So on battery, select maximum power. Plugged in, select maximum power. If you will using the laptop, so you will see these two options, on battery and plugged in. So select maximum power in both, then click on Apply. And also you are using desktop, so select maximum power, then OK. Now close it. Now last thing you have to try, open Notepad and type this two command. I will give in description, so copy and paste in Notepad. Now save this command as restart and give the name restart Wi-Fi. .bat. So in the last you need to type .bat, then save. Now go to that location where you save this file, like this one. Right click and make shortcut. Now right click on that shortcut, then properties. In here click on advanced and check this box, run as administrator, then click on OK. Apply, then OK. Now when you need to restart Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi is not working, so just you need to click and open this shortcut, so Wi-Fi will work properly on your device. So hopefully friends, by using this simple and easy method, all problem will be fixed. Thanks for watching. Please comment this video work for you or not.